a landslide warning was issued covering Divisional Secretariat divisions of the Galle, Kalutara, K-Galle and Matra districts. The National Building Research Organisation says that the general public should be vigilant about potential earth slips. Many roads in the Colombo city were inundated this morning, heavily inconveniencing pedestrians and motorists. The entrance to the Chandrika Kumaratunga Mawatha near the Mulleriyawa Ambatale junction was inundated this morning. This disrupted vehicular movement along the road. The Maharagama Piliyandala main road was flooded this morning near Arawala. Our Newsfirst correspondent said that Galle, Baddegama and surrounding areas experienced heavy rainfall today. Kattuwa, Periyamulla, Theniyawatta, Rubberwatta, Gomezwatta and other lowlands in Negombo were also inundated. The inundation of the Ratnapura Panudara main road near Kulapana disrupted vehicular movement in the area. The Kalutara public ground was also inundated due to the heavy showers that the Kalutara town experienced this morning. A strong gust of wind had uprooted a tree and damaged a nearby electricity pole in the Unit 3 village in Kantale. Our Newsfirst correspondent said that this resulted in the disruption of power supply to the area.